welcome back to my channel. Giselle here. So today we receive a gift from Harga Burung. The seller is a Legend One Enterprises, Hexagon Teach Park Jalan Gurdwara Pinang. Okay, so we received from them. They are the seller from Lazada, so they give to me. So I will put the description below. Inside car camera also have. They also selling Wi-Fi CCTV. They also sell like that. And then okay, so we check what is it. It's a bag, and then we open. It's a leather bag. Okay, so makeup for you. Okay, so it's makeup for you. Wow, thank you so much. Okay, so we have already give by from Harga Burung. Thank you so much that I already received this. Thanks a lot. Okay, so we open it. Okay, so we have here makeup for you. I hope that the name is can be put at the. Okay, so oh yes, they have the name. Okay, so oh balik is into balik. Okay, so the name is makeup for you. Okay, so we have also here a lot, and here thank you so much. And we have this. Oh, very soft. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, so here is a lot of brushes. Now we have more brushes. So soft and very soft. Okay, so here thanks a lot. I will send the description below. Okay, so this is very good, it's really okay. So if sooner very bright, it's okay. You can see I have some more. The smaller a bit, the smaller one. Okay, so here still have. I need to open all because the bag is a leather and not nice. It's very nice. Wow, so cute. Look at that. So soft. Okay, so thanks a lot for sending me this. Okay, so nice. And then here everyone have a sun is much makeup for you. Also they have a lot of name. Okay, so nice. Is they have a name of the company, and then they have a name is we use from which part of the face. Okay, so it's very good, and thank you so much. It's really nice because as a beginner, which is I don't know how to use, then otherwise the one brush for the big one is for the whole face. Okay, so it's really good. And then here this is for the eye contour. Okay, this is for the eye contour. Okay, so this is for the sponge eye. For the sponge eye shadow. Okay, so here is for eyeshadow brush is an angle eye. Angle eye here. Okay. I'm really not very expert of the makeup. Okay, so short eyeshadow. I think short eyeshadow here. I'm not sure. So here our medium angle shading. medium angle shading. Okay, mingle angle shading like that. Okay, so here is concealer. This is for the concealer. Okay, thank you so much. And then for the eyeshadow, this brush is for the eyeshadow. Okay, for eyeshadow. And then and this is for the eyeliner. For the eyeliner, look at that. For the eyeliner, can I see? Okay, for the eyeliner. And then this is for, okay, have two eyeliner. Okay, this is for the here angle one, and this is round a bit. Okay, for the eyeliner, actually it's two. For the lip brush, thank you so much. Oh, lip brush, sorry. Lip brush. Okay, so this is, oh, so cute, so small. Okay, it's very small. It's precise eyeliner. I think this is for like this, right? It's because it's single only. Look at that, it's very single, it's one only. And for is sponge applicator, I'm not sure for this. Okay, have a pink side is color shape also, big color shadow is a red color, different color. This is what is sponge applicator. Okay, this is for, wow, very soft. Okay, so this is for the fun. Okay. Okay, so large eyeshadow. I think this is the one like that. Okay, see. And then 4 is lash, for the eyelashes. This is for the eyelashes, like that, for example. So here is the last for the eyebrow comb, like that. Okay. Yes, thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Where is the paper? I will put in the description below. So the sealer is, oh, okay, we have a letter. Okay, oh, okay, so they have also a voucher they give if you want to buy from them. And then they also sell indoor and outdoor Wi-Fi CCTV, this company. Okay, so not only for the makeup, so they also sell for the car and the for your house CCTV. Okay, so thanks a lot. Who's the seller of this, who give this a sponsor by, what is the name, not sure. Oh, here, Legend One Enterprises, Hexagon Tech Park Jalan, Gurdwara, Penang. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Okay, thanks so much. Okay, so all the plastics we don't throw because we have to keep it. I love it because the handle is a wood. Is a wood, huh? Yes, it's a wood. Thank you so much. Thumbnail. Okay. Thumbnail. Okay, so thanks a lot. About 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, about 24 brushes. Okay, 20, if I'm not mistaken. The bags is leather, it's very nice. And then they have a name makeup for you here, so it's very nice. They have how many 24. if I'm not mistaken, is 24. So everything is here. And then, okay, thanks a lot. Okay, thank you so much for this very soft and very aesthetic and very, very light to hold when you brush the thing. It's really nice, you know. So thank you so much. We will use this letter after we are doing our makeup tutorial. Okay, so thanks a lot. Thanks for sending me here for these brushes. Thank you so much. Okay guys, see you for the next video. I'm doing the makeup. I want to try the makeup Kim Kardashian's. Okay, I want to follow the Kim Kardashian's makeup for the next video. Okay, thank you so much. I hope you enjoy the video. I have these makeup brushes already, so we enjoy for that for this moment for the next vlog. Okay, for the next video. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.